Hey everyone, welcome back to my Dev Web App channel. Today I'll continue building Astra block that I started in the previous video. In this video we will learn about layouts in Astra, so unit 4 layouts. And I'm going to check this checkbox and go next. Build your first layout. I need to create new file in layout. Okay. And I opened my project in Visual Studio Code, and inside source files I need to create new folder, layouts, and file will be base layout. Okay, and create new file, base layout Astra. And now I need to copy entire content, and let me just copy this file and paste it in my base layout. And now we can change our index file. And I'll just provide the code they have here. And let's check our browser. I'm going to refresh, and we have the same index page. And let's check next. And now we can add slot. And let's do it inside base layout and below H1. Check. Okay. And let's check. And as you can see, we have some subtitle here. And let's check the code. And we have this subtitle in our index file. Let's check it. And as you can see, it was rendered instead of float. Okay, and let's check next. And pass page specific values as props. And we can use props. And let's try it. Inside base layout in our index file, I'm going to add page title prop. Let's go next. And now we can use these props in base layout instead of this const. Okay. And check browser. And nothing changed, but we passed the props from index to base layout. Okay. And let's check what I have next. Try it yourself, use your layout everywhere. Okay, and now we can change block Astra and about Astra. And we can use this base layout and provide what we have inside these files as slot. Let me open index Astra and copy content and provide it inside block. Okay, and now I can remove this imports HTML header, and I will copy title and provide to my page title. And also I'll provide this paragraph and another.list as slot to my component. Okay. And now I can remove the remaining code. Okay. And let's check what I have. I'm going to refresh the page and go to my blog. And as you can see, we have post 1, post 2, and post 3. Okay. And let's change about. And as you can see, we have more code here and also styles. And let's change it. I'm going to copy import base layout and paste it in my about. We have header and footer in base layout, and I'll keep this page title and other variables. And okay, we can remove this code because we have it in base layout, and also we have footer. So let's check. And now we need to add base layout and provide page title. Okay, and I'm going to add it here. and close. Okay, and let's check what we have. I'm going to refresh the page and go to About. And as you can see, we don't have styles because we removed them. And let me go back and copy styles here and then go forward. Okay, and now I need to provide styles. Let's check again. As you can see, we have styles for our list, and I can remove styles for H1 tag because we have them globally, and also I can adjust code. Okay, and looks good so far. Let's check again, refresh, and we have our styles. And let's go to the docs. We did as they described here. I can mark boxes as done and go next. And we have create and pass data to a custom block layout. Okay, and I need to create new file, markdown post layout, and we'll add it inside layouts and new file. And now I can copy content. Okay, and let's check. And next we need to modify post1 markdown file. And let's go to block post1. And as you can see, I have my first block post. And let me go to post1 and provide our layout. And let's check. And as you can see, now we have two headers. Let's remove the header that we don't need anymore. Okay, and I can remove this header. And let's check. And as you can see, we don't have this header anymore. Okay, and let's go next. I will check the browser, and also I can modify post2 and post3. Okay, and I'll provide the same layout here and also here. And let's check. I'm going to go to post2 and also post3. And as you can see, we added a layout to post. And also we checked it in browser. And now we can remove some code from post1. Oh, let's do it. Okay. Let's remove and check what we have. And we can add this published to our layout file below title. Okay, and let's check. And as you can see, we have published. And we can add remain code here. Okay, and let me add it here. Let's check. And as you can see, we have some image and written by, and also let's check post2. And we also have some content and post3. And okay, I can mark these checkboxes as done and go next. Now we can combine layouts, and let's try. I'm going to add this import and add it here. And also I'll provide base layout. We'll add it here and close here. Let me check. Okay, and I can add tabs. Okay, and let's check what we have. I'm going to open post1, and as you can see, we have tiles and other elements as in our block. Also, we have menu, and we can remove title from our markdown layout. And let's check. And we don't have two titles as it was previously. Okay. And let's check what next. We checked it in our browser, and it looks like we added layouts and combined them. Let me refresh the page, go to home, about, blog, Check post 1, post 2, and post 3. Everything looks good so far, and that's all that I had for today. If you liked my video, subscribe to my DevWeb App channel, like the video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.